Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to design a planetary gear. Planetary gear is an arrangement in which one sun gear will be at center, around which two or more gear arrangements will be rotating around it. First step is to draw a circle. I have taken the diameter of 100 mm. Next I have extruded it, and then I have created a circle of diameter which is less than 10 mm from the outer circle. Then I have extruded it for a 10 mm depth, and next I have created 3 holes for the location of pin. I have chosen the diameter of 3 mm for the pin, and I have extruded it for 5 mm depth. Then I have created this pin of 3 mm diameter and 10 mm depth. And I have made a rigid joint between this. And next, for the designing of gear, spur gear external will be at tools, add-ins, script. A spur gear element will be there. In that there will be a metric unit. There are some terminologies to be known in the gear before designing it. I have chosen the module of 1 mm. This is module, and number of teeth is 28. For the small gear I have chosen 12, and the backslash is the fillet like thing, and gear thickness is 5 mm. So my pitch diameter will be equal to, so the pitch diameter will be the module into number of teeth. For this, the pitch diameter is 12 because I have chosen 12 teeth. Then I have moved it and made a joint, and these two gears of 28 teeth and as same one module, and I have made the joint between this and the gear. So I will use join. And next I have created the internal gear. For this, the add-ins will not be available at starting internal gears. It will be available in store, Fusion 360 app store. You can download it. It's in the FM gear name, and it will be added to solid create FM gear. In this internal gear, we have input of outer diameter. For this 90 mm I have chosen, and number of teeth is 68, which matches the pitch diameter of the 28 teeth gear. Then only the gear will be rotated properly. Next, I have made the joint between this side and the outer side of the gear. Then we have to ground the internal gear for making joints between, for making the motion link between them. First, the motion link is made between the internal gear and the 28 teeth gear by clicking assembly motion link, and by clicking these two links. So that it will be rotating like this. And next, the other larger gear made to be motion link with the internal gear. Then we have to move and position the links properly. This is misaligned, so that we have to click move. Click move and rotate, and you have to arrange it properly like this. And then finally the center, the small gear is also made to be motion joint with this 28 teeth gear. And now it's rotating like this. As the internal gear is fixed, we can rotate the outer area like this. Now, by making any one of the joint, simulating, you can see that the gears are rotating. Next, to create it on both sides, we can't do just mirroring only. It will just mirror only the parts or components or bodies or sketches, but it will not be completely mirroring all the features like joints and motion links, etc. So the next is mirroring. Mirroring is done by clicking the total components and clicking the mirror plane as the bottom of this, so that you will be getting like this. It seems like arranged, but it is not. You can see only the links at the bottom of this, which is the original body you have created, but the above is not having any joints. Next, in the same manner, we have to move the parts and assemble as the pin is joined with this. Before that, we have to do one thing, which is we have to make the rigid joint between this plate and this plate, so that the both will be combined as one. And then we have to arrange the similar manner, and motion links to be given with this 28 teeth gears, and with the internal gear, and this gear to this gear, and finally this gear to this gear. And we have to position the gear properly for the rotation. And then this looks as a two parts, so we have to combine this into one part. For that we are using the feature combine, this here, and by clicking this we have to select this and this, and it will be combining both the components. And now it looks like a single component. That's all. Now we can see that the both are rotating. Both top and bottom faces are having the same body outer, so by rotating this we can find the movement on both sides. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.